Improving vision naturally can be done with herbs that have been shown to support eye health. This video covers 12 specific herbs known for their beneficial effects on vision, helping you take an easy, natural approach to better eye health. Herbs have long been used for health benefits, including supporting vision. Many contain antioxidants, vitamins, and compounds that protect the eyes from oxidative stress, a major factor in vision issues. Oxidative stress happens when harmful molecules damage cells in the eyes, impacting vision over time. By adding these herbs to your diet, you may help reduce such damage and support eye health naturally. 1. Bilberry. Bilberry is rich in antioxidants, particularly anthocyanins. These compounds help protect eye cells from oxidative damage caused by free radicals. Regular consumption of bilberry may improve night vision and reduce eye fatigue, making it beneficial for those who spend long hours in front of screens or drive at night. Studies suggest that bilberry can enhance visual acuity and may aid in preventing conditions like cataracts. 2. Ginkgo biloba. Ginkgo biloba is known for its ability to improve blood circulation, particularly to the eyes. Enhanced blood flow may lead to better oxygenation and nutrient delivery, which can support overall eye health. Ginkgo biloba is often used to reduce symptoms associated with retinal degeneration and age-related eye issues. Its antioxidant properties also help protect against oxidative stress, contributing to long-term vision health. 3. Turmeric. Turmeric contains curcumin, a powerful anti-inflammatory compound. This herb can help reduce inflammation around the eyes, which is important for maintaining clear vision. Curcumin's antioxidant properties also combat oxidative stress, potentially lowering the risk of eye diseases. Regular intake of turmeric may support overall eye health and improve visual clarity, particularly for those experiencing age-related vision changes. 4. Saffron. Saffron contains crocin, a compound known for its ability to protect photoreceptor cells in the eyes. This protection may enhance visual function and combat age-related vision loss. Studies suggest that saffron can improve contrast sensitivity, which is vital for seeing in low-light conditions. Including saffron in your diet may help maintain healthy eyesight and support overall eye health. 5. Eyebright. Eyebright is traditionally used to soothe eye irritation and inflammation. Its antioxidant properties help protect the eyes from environmental stressors that can lead to discomfort and fatigue. Eyebright is often utilized in herbal remedies for eye health, and its potential benefits include reducing redness and supporting overall eye function. Regular use may contribute to clearer vision and improved comfort for tired eyes. 6. Green tea. Green tea is rich in catechins, powerful antioxidants that help protect the delicate tissues of the eyes. These antioxidants may reduce the risk of developing eye diseases by combating oxidative stress. Regular consumption of green tea has been linked to improved eye health, as it may support the function of the retina and reduce the risk of age-related macular degeneration. Including green tea in your diet can be a simple way to promote better vision. 7. Grapeseed extract. Grapeseed extract is high in proanthocyanidins, potent antioxidants that strengthen blood vessels in the eyes. This support for vascular health can enhance circulation, promoting better oxygen and nutrient delivery to the eye tissues. Grapeseed extract may also help protect against oxidative damage, potentially reducing the risk of cataracts and other age-related eye conditions. Regular intake can contribute to overall eye health and improved visual clarity. 8. Fennel. Fennel seeds are packed with nutrients beneficial for eye health, including vitamin C and various antioxidants. These compounds may help reduce the risk of cataracts and promote overall eye function. Fennel also has anti-inflammatory properties, which can alleviate irritation and support clear vision. Incorporating fennel into your diet can provide essential nutrients that contribute to maintaining healthy eyesight. 9. Carrot seed. Carrot seed is rich in beta-carotene, which the body converts to vitamin A, a nutrient essential for maintaining clear vision, especially in low-light conditions. Vitamin A plays a crucial role in the formation of rhodopsin, a pigment found in the retina that is necessary for night vision. Regular consumption of carrot seed can support overall eye health and may help prevent vision-related issues. 10. Calendula. Calendula contains lutein, a carotenoid that helps filter harmful blue light from screens. This protective effect may reduce eye strain and potential damage caused by prolonged exposure to screens and bright lights. Calendula's antioxidant properties also support eye health by combating oxidative stress. Including calendula in your diet can help maintain comfort and clarity in your vision, especially in today's digital world. 11. Peppermint. Peppermint has natural cooling properties that can help soothe eye irritation and reduce inflammation. It contains menthol, which may promote circulation in the eye area, supporting overall eye health. The antioxidants found in peppermint can also help protect against oxidative stress. Including peppermint in your diet or as a tea can provide refreshing relief for tired eyes and contribute to eye comfort. 12. Rosemary. Rosemary is rich in antioxidants that help protect against free radicals, which can damage eye health. Its anti-inflammatory properties may support overall eye comfort and reduce the risk of developing age-related vision problems. Additionally, rosemary can enhance circulation, promoting better nutrient delivery to the eyes. Including rosemary in your meals or as an herbal tea can be beneficial for maintaining healthy eyesight. Conclusion and key takeaways. To support eye health, consider incorporating these 12 powerful herbs into your diet: bilberry, ginkgo biloba, turmeric, saffron, eyebright, green tea, grapeseed extract, fennel, carrot seed, calendula, peppermint, rosemary. These herbs offer various benefits that can enhance vision and protect against age-related eye issues. Regular use may help maintain clear eyesight and support overall eye health. Prioritizing these natural remedies can lead to better vision and well-being.